But as I always say, there is no point to stress for the things which are not in our control. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your December 2021 exams. Now yesterday you must be knowing that Institute of Cost Accountants of India merged the June 2021 attempt for intermediate and final with December 2021 attempt. Now the exams were about to get started in October 2021, and the first feeling of the students who would have prepared well and revised well and who were ready to give exams in October would be that obviously they would have felt disheartened. They would have felt that, we are prepared and institute is not taking the exams right now, because if I'm not wrong, that initially also institute released the date sheets late, and now once the date sheets were released, the exams were about to happen, the institute merged them with December 2021 exams. Different students have different feelings and different perspective towards this notification. The students who would have prepared well, who would have revised well and were ready to sit in the exams would be feeling disappointed and disheartened, and the ones who wouldn't have prepared maybe would be feeling happy, right? But as I always say, there is no point to stress for the things which are not in our control. This is something that is not in our control. This is completely under the control of the institute, when they release the dates, when they take the exams and everything else. So what is important is your preparation. Now when you know that the exams are going to be merged with December 2021, please study and prepare. Don't just keep discussing or setting your opinions about this notification. Alongside this, I believe institute gave additional benefits to you all, which I think is a great thing. First benefit is that the carry forward is with the carry forward of the fees and the subject wise exemption, which is a good thing. That means you don't have to deposit the fees again, and whichever exemption you had in your exams and you were availing for June 2021 exams will be availed by you in December 2021 exams as well. Another additional benefit given by the institute is that the students who have applied for June 2021, they can now change their examination center and group if they want. If you want to change your examination center or your group in which you're going to sit, you can change that by making an online application, and also you can also add any group if you want by making the differential payment, like whatever is the difference in the payment, you have to make that payment and you can add the group as well, which I think is a good thing. So if you believe that I am well prepared, if you are someone you were prepared for the exams, what you can do now is that you can maybe add another group in which you were not appearing earlier, because if from now you analyze, you still have October, November, right? So you can utilize these 2 months if you have like little bit preparation of any other group, and you can add them and you can appear in that group as well in December 2021. Because if you are someone that you want to just clear your exams and you were well prepared with this group in which you were going to sit in these exams for June 2021, then of course you can add the group and you can start your preparation and give those groups as well in December 2021. Another benefit institute told you, if you have not earlier filed your exam form for June 2021, you can file it now. You have this opportunity to file the form for December 2021. And of course the revised schedule will be announced soon. So according to me, I would say, after analyzing the notification, I would just say that if you are someone who was prepared well and you were completely ready to sit in the exams, then you can definitely add a group in which you were not going to appear earlier, but now you can, because you have time, you have ample time for the preparation of another group, so you can do that. And if you're not prepared well, then I would highly recommend you, this is your chance. This is a golden chance that you got. Now you still have 2 more months to prepare. So think it like blessing in disguise and prepare for the exams. If you have not prepared it yet, prepare and clear this time in December 2021. So I would just say, don't get disheartened, don't get disappointed, because this is something that is not in our controls, and stressing over such things which we cannot control is just waste of time, mind and our energy. So I would just say that start your preparation, whether by adding a group if you were already prepared, or by preparing the same groups if you were not already prepared. All the best from my side. Start your preparation. Don't think over this notification. This is the final notification by institute. Just focus on your studies, start your preparation. All the best. If you found the video informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for watching more such content, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. Do follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below. Bye.